So hello everyone. So we have done tree traversals, pre-order, post-order and in order, and with the help of pre-order, in order we did post-order and vice versa. So we will continue with trees now. So for this, if you want to reach me in Telegram or Instagram, you can reach me here, or you can mail me also. I like my mail ID. So this is my mail ID, you can mail me also. So we will start with double order traversal today. So this is our recursive program. Okay, so you forget, you don't have to write all these recursive programs, but you have to evaluate to find the correct option. So let's start. This is our, say, let's say double order DOT. If T is true, means T has some nodes. So means like if T is not a leaf node, this is a leaf node. If it has nothing in right and nothing in left, then it is true. When like this, A, B or C, something is present, it is not a leaf node. Then we will move on to, if you see, you know that within if condition something has to be true, then only we move on to our inside part, or else we just leave that part. So let's see here. So now if T is true, then printf, okay, this P/F means printf, T arrow data, then DO, T arrow left, again printf, T arrow data, DO, T arrow right. See, we are printing twice, it is double order traversal. So this is our tree, we have to find what is the double order traversal of this, like post order, pre order, in order, we will do double order traversal of this tree, particular tree. So how we will do it? Let's say we number it like this. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so since it is a complex program, I'm not saying that it is tough, but it is easier way to do like this. So how we will do? For let's say first root node, this is root, remember this is root. So we will point it out 1, 2, 3, 4. All the lines we will point it out here. So first one, let's say what is 1 means printf T arrow data, we have to print. So let's say this is our output. So see, this is our printf, T arrow data is printed. So 1 is done. Now number 2, DO T arrow left, we have to go left and we have to do this again. So what we will do, we will come here, left means we will have to go to left. So now again 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what we will do, again we will start our recursive program. You know recursive program function calling itself. So we have done lot of recursive programs also, please go and watch if you are having any trouble here. Anyway, I will discuss it here. So let's see. So our sorry. So now again we will start with 1, 2 and 3, 4. So number 1, printf T arrow data, we will print B. Okay. So now again DO T arrow left. See, in left it has nothing. So even if we call, it will return nothing. Okay. So we will say this is done. Number 3, printf T arrow data. Again we have to print this only. We are stuck here. We are doing this only. We will print B. Then this 3 is done. Number 4, DO double order T arrow right, we will go right. So here we are coming, it's again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let me write here because it may collapse with E. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now again from start, printf T arrow data. So we will print, what is printed? D. Now T arrow left, we are going left. So put a tick here and we go to our left subtree. So this is our left subtree, this is our right subtree. Okay, so we will go to our left subtree, that is F. So now again 1 means T arrow data, we have to print. So you have to print F. Done. Do T arrow left, it is nothing, so just put a tick and go to next line, that is printf T arrow data. 3 is T arrow data, we have to print F. Done. Do T arrow right, here nothing is there, so it is done. So again we see all the lines are done, so we move on to our root of this node. So it is, now don't go to the first one, see recursive, we are calling here to here, so we have to go to our recursive function call from where it is called. So now we are left with 3. See, now since we have numbered, it is very easy to see up till where we have done, and we will continue from the rest of the lines. Now see, 3 is left, so printf T arrow data is done, so it is D is printed, so this is done, 3 is done. Number 4, do T arrow right has nothing, just put a tick and go to our its parent B. See, all it's done. Okay, so you go again to A. So A, number 3, that is printf T arrow data, so we put A. Okay, so now 3 is done. 4, T arrow right, we go here 1 2 3 and 4. So again here 1 2 3 and 4, printf T arrow data, so I write it here. Okay, after this write it here, T arrow data, so 1 is done. Number 2, do T arrow left, we go to our left, so put a tick mark here and write 1 2 3 and 4. So now we are at here and we do T arrow data, put a tick here and write E. Do T arrow left, see it has nothing in left, so just put a tick mark here and go to our number 3, printf T arrow data, just print E again and put a tick. Number 4, do T arrow right, we go to right, we have right subtree, so we go to right. So we will start with G now. Don't go C, because we from this recursive call we are going here till here. Okay, so after we finish all the sub recursive programs, we will go back to our parent. So number 1, printf T arrow data, G is printed. Then do T arrow left, it has nothing, don't do anything, printf T arrow data, again G is printed. Number 4, do T arrow right, it has nothing, just do it, click the tick mark. So we go back to E we have done already. Now go back to C is, we are left with 3 and 4. 3, printf T arrow data, we print C and do T arrow right is nothing, so it is done. So see, here everything is printed twice, so this is our double order traversal of this program. Okay, so again it can be jumbled up in a different way, it will give answer in a different manner. So we will continue with this. So this kind of questions are very common. I have seen some in some test series also, this kind of questions are common. So I have taken it out example from Ravi sir's course only. So I will continue with this and then we will do PYQs also. So it is nothing, double order traversal, there are like triple order traversal, and then it will be jumbled up in a different manner also. So if you have loved watching my videos, I forget to say this, do subscribe to my channel and tell me in comment section what else you want to see. Yesterday someone told me that to make videos on other subjects like 4 or 5 subjects, so it is not possible for me to do all the subjects at once, because I am doing data structure now. I will complete it within few days only, because we are left with graphs and hashing only. So I will try to finish this first and then we will move on to DAA, design and analysis of algorithm. So I will do that, and I am trying my best to continue, and because I have my own work to do also, that's why I am not able to do videos for the whole day, but I am making time for doing my videos. So keep watching, and if you like my content, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get an update when I upload my videos. Thank you.